Bonjour Kaori, voici le résumé de ce que nous avions fait. Nous avions parlé de différents sujets, de l'Italie, du film Idiocratie que je te conseille vivement de regarder. C'est une comédie, mais qui est très 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 actuelle. Uh, yeah, it's pretty sad because you have a lot of. It's like there is a dumbing down of the nation. There is a book, the same title. Idiocratie is it's a movie about the fact that two guys will travel into the future, a woman and a man and a guy. They are part of the military mission, so they are using a time machine, and they are sent to the future, and they're gonna end up being the two most intelligent guys, and the rest, they don't know how to grow crops. They use Mountain Dew to grow crops. They don't know how to. They don't know anything. The president is more like a sexual machine, and it's very weird. But nobody is really intelligent to really understand what's going on. The medical aspect of the society is horrible. It's disgusting. And but anyway, it's a comedy. But the guy, the director, I forgot his name, said I've never thought, I would never think about the fact that my movie, which was originally a comedy, would become a documentary. Yep, it's pretty sad and quite scary. So ça c'est la communication progressive et c'est la page 186. Je rêve d'y aller. Quels sont vos projets professionnels? J'envisage de chercher un travail dans une entreprise internationale. Pourquoi? J'aimerais travailler dans un contexte étranger. Est-ce que vous pensez partir à l'étranger? J'espère pouvoir le faire un jour. Ça doit être une expérience passionnante. Est-ce que vous avez l'intention d'apprendre plusieurs langues étrangères? Je parle déjà anglais, mais je compte apprendre aussi l'espagnol. Ok. Envisager is to plan to, you are thinking about something, um, you're not like making a plan per se, and for sure you are thinking about it. Okay, so it's like a mental plan, but you know that's an ideal scenario. Okay, avoir l'intention, to intend, to have the intention to do something. Je compte apprendre aussi. It's like I'm planning on learning Spanish also. Le deuxième dialogue. Si je comprends bien, vous souhaitez acheter une maison à la campagne. C'est cela. Ma femme rêve d'avoir un jardin et moi j'adore la nature. Où est-ce que vous avez prévu de vous installer? Ce n'est pas sûr, mais il se peut que nous allions en Bourgogne. Nous avons le projet d'y passer quelques jours pour visiter des maisons à vendre. Moi aussi, je me demande si je ne vais pas chercher une petite maison, m'installer à la campagne et cultiver mon jardin. So if I understand well, you wish to buy a house in the country. That's it. My wife dreams to have a, a yard, a garden, and me. I love nature. And where are you planning on settling in or moving in? It's not sure. It could be possible that we go to Burgundy. We have the project to spend a few days there and to visit a house for sale. Me too. I wonder if I'm not gonna look for a small house, moving in the countryside and take care of a yard or a garden. Yeah. Most of the time you just want to have to live in a smaller house and that's it. I never understood why people have huge houses. My grandparents used to have a big house. We were cleaning this damn house all the time. It was just endless. This house was, always like cleaning the carpet, cleaning the stairs, cleaning everything all the time. It was just horrible. And we ended up, selling it after the death of my grandfather, and it was better. My grandmother couldn't take care of two big yards plus a house. We had like one, two, three, four, five different bedrooms, so no, it was horrible. It was a lot of work. So I never understood why people are so into big. I mean, I understand the space, but that's a lot of work. So if you don't really see that on a regular basis, you're gonna have a big surprise the day you will retire and you take care of a big house. So Just my personal input here. Anyway, comment le dire? J'envisage de, je pense de. Donc c'est la même chose. J'ai prévu de, je compte. Compter plus un infinitif, j'ai prévu, it's like I'm expecting in a sense. I'm expecting, I'm planning on doing something. J'ai l'intention, j'ai le projet de, I have the project to do something, I intend to do something. Il n'est pas impossible que plus a subjunctive. Je me demande si je ne vais pas. It's not impossible that I do that, I go there, I sell that, I buy that. I wonder if I'm not gonna buy it, go there, moving. Peut-être, maybe, perhaps. Il se peut que. J'espère pouvoir un jour que. You don't have to learn everything. Just pay attention to the two dialogues, that's it. You know. J'aimerais que, je souhaite que, I would like, I wish, je rêve de, I dream to, I dream of, je tiens à. Tenir à quelque chose is like you really care for something, you really have that in your heart, you really want to do that, you really want to go there, etc. Je tiens à partir en vacances cet été. Je tiens à acheter une maison dans 2 ans, etc. Pourvu que. Pourvu que, it's like there is a wish. It's I hope, I wish. Pourvu qu'il vienne, I wish he comes. Pourvu qu'elle vienne, I wish she comes. I really hope that she comes. Okay, that's a strong desire here. À propos de l'expression pourvu qu'il vienne, signifie j'espère qu'il vienne, qu'il viendra. J'espère vivement. I really hope that he will come or she will come. There's an element of anxiety. Okay. Relisez les dialogues ci-contre et choisissez la bonne réponse. Quentin a décidé de travailler dans une société internationale. Il a l'intention d'apprendre l'espagnol. Ah. Alors... No. Somebody is calling me. I need to pause. I'm gonna make a second part. Okay.